Hey guys, welcome back to my pre-algebra series. Today we're going to be doing some more complex problems, but they still mostly focus on multiplication and addition. Number 1, what is the value of 210 times 5 plus 105 times negative 9? That's kind of doozy. And as always, you could do the standard algorithm, but on a time test that would take way too. So instead, there is a trick to solving this question, as there is in all of pre-algebra, basically. So 210 and 105. What do you guys notice about that? Yeah, 105 is half of 210. So 210, instead of just writing 210, you could write 105 times 2 times 5, because there's 5 here, plus 105 times negative 9. So now I've got this equation. And since multiplication is both commutative and associative, you could do this part first, put it in parentheses, and it would be 105 times 10 plus 105 times negative 9. And something I haven't really talked about here yet is that multiplication is using the distributive property. We can pull out 105, right? Because there's a common 105 in both sides. Common 105, pull it out, and it would be multiplied by, in parentheses, because this is how the distributive property works, it would go 10 and negative 9 plus negative 9, which is basically just subtract 9. So it would equal 105, since these two would make 1. Moving on to problem 2. What is 9,342 plus negative 438 multiplied by 719 plus negative 9,340 plus negative 438 times negative 719. Okay, that's a mouthful. Anyway, so this, first since you can move this, since addition is commutative, you can move this here instead of back there, so you would get 9,342 subtract 9,340. And then, since then you can lift the parentheses, associative property, it would be subtraction because there's the negative sign there, 438 times 719 plus negative 438 times negative 719. And as you guys know, when two negatives multiply together, it would create a positive. So it would basically be 438 times 719 in that back. So as you guys know, this part would create a 2. Subtract. And since this one's negative, this part's the negative version of this part, these two would round each other out, so it would become a 0. So then you would just get 2. So even a complex problem like this can just eventually be simplified into that if you really use your brain. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it helped you guys learn at least a little bit more about pre-algebra, a little bit more about these processes. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!